Perhaps while you're in the home you find out that they haven't talked to a lender. I'd highly recommend that they call one of these before you meet in the office for your appointment. It may be that they said they've already talked to a lender or they've gone online, and you would want to say, well, it doesn't hurt at all for you to have a second opinion. The lenders that we have here, we have used for years. They have direct underwriting. They have a direct access to an appraisal pool that can really speed your process up. They also are going to deliver on time, and they're going to deliver the results they promise you. So a lot of lenders will tell you they can get a mortgage for you, and then you get in the process and you find out you're turned down. You may have heard of some friends or family members or coworkers that happened to. You can trust everybody on this list. And so I would highly recommend that maybe you just talk to another one just to get a second opinion. But we can come back to that later.